Hello, I'm back. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use text to column with existing delimiter. So when we say delimiter, it is used to split the data in columns. So for example, is comma, slash, space, and many more. So same thing where we're going to choose home, data, and text to column. Data and text to column. So after clicking text column, choose delimited and next. We can say we have this tab, semicolon, comma, space, and others. So in this example, we have comma. So next. And we can see na nahati na yung data sa isang column. So just finish. And there you have it. So, another example is, magsaseta ng example, for example, is yung space. So, replace natin yung comma with space. I think replace all and finish. So, let's check this example. Home and data and then text column. Choose space and next. So, yung hindi lang maganda dito is parehas ng Talisay City. Meron ng space yung Talisay tsaka yung city. So, i-manual mong drag or copy. So,